So even with the tailgate closed, grab this here, go ahead and pull it back, and enough room, it won't break it. And then come in here, and I've got a light on this. As you come in and come down, there's that triangle looking thing. Get my fingers on it, and I pulled it up. So this piece I'm touching right here, you can push it down, or you can pull it up. Pull it up. So pull that up towards the top, and that'll unlock it for you. You can open it, and hopefully you got the correct tools, and you can go ahead and take the panel off.